complex journey of a perfect industrial layered birthday cake begins with the automatic measuring of premium cake flour today. Our high-tech cracking systems ensure that only the freshest liquid ingredients enter the production line for the softest sponge consistency always. Massive industrial mixers churn the ingredients at perfect speeds to trap air, creating that legendary melt-in-your-mouth texture we love so much. Factory experts manually check the density of every single batch right at the source, ensuring the ultimate baking quality now. High-speed distribution nozzles fill hundreds of circular baking pans simultaneously with mathematical precision across the busy factory floor. A gentle automated vibration allows the batter to settle down evenly, preventing any large holes or imperfections inside the sponge core. The filled pans enter a massive temperature-controlled tunnel oven, starting a precise baking process that locks in moisture perfectly. Controlled convection heat allows the sponge cakes to develop an even rise and a beautiful golden color inside the baking tunnel. Emerging from the hot baking zone, the fresh sponges fill the entire facility with a sweet vanilla aroma that triggers hunger. Rapid cooling lines lower the temperature of the sponge instantly, preparing the base to hold the heavy cream layers without melting. Advanced pneumatic suction systems lift the baked cakes out of their molds gently, preserving the delicate edges for the decoration line. Nothing stops in this line. Empty pans are immediately recycled through a high-pressure washing tunnel to remain sterile for the next batch. Industrial wire cutters slice through the moving sponges with absolute geometric accuracy, creating 3 identical layers for the ultimate cake stack. The sliced sections are separated systematically across parallel tracks, prepping them for the multi-tiered cream application phase in our plant. A fine mist of sweet syrup coats every single sponge surface evenly, ensuring the cake remains incredibly moist on store shelves. Our automated frosting pumps apply the first thick layer of premium cream with surgical precision across the entire moving line today. A savory layer of fruit jam is added next, creating a beautiful color contrast and an explosion of sweet flavor always. Precision mechanical arms lift the middle sponge layers, dropping them onto the cream base without a single millimeter of misalignment anywhere. The layering process continues as a second distinct flavor of rich chocolate cream is spread evenly across the middle section. The top sponge layer is pressed into place firmly, locking the multi-tiered structure together before we head to the final frosting. A gentle uniform pressure is applied to every cake, ensuring a stable structure that can withstand heavy decoration without falling apart. The automated crumb coating station seals the exterior of the cake, preparing the surface for the final premium aesthetic presentation ahead. The cakes enter a sub-zero flash chilling tunnel, setting the base layer instantly to maintain a flawless finish for consumers worldwide. Spinning industrial turntables coat the exterior with an incredibly smooth layer of final icing, creating a clean look at high speeds. The precision of these mechanical scrapers leaves an impossibly smooth finish that matches the high quality of our engineering standards. Automated piping stars create beautiful decorative borders around the top rim, adding a classic touch to these massive birthday treats. A continuous waterfall of vibrant rainbow sprinkles showers the top of the cakes, creating a celebratory look that appeals to everyone. Our professional decoration team handles the final intricate details by hand, combining human artistry with rapid industrial scale successfully now. Digital eyes scan every completed cake for geometric perfection, ensuring that only flawless masterpieces move to the final boxing station. From the raw flour silos to these beautiful finished layers, Forge Insider showcases the ultimate harmony of human skill and machine power. The processing phase moves to high-speed ultrasonic slicing, dividing whole cakes into mathematically perfect portions for our corporate retail clients today. Mechanical guide rails separate the freshly cut slices automatically, preparing them for individual presentation trays across our fast industrial plant. Automated case erectors form thousands of bright, protected pastry boxes every hour to keep up with our incredible production targets. Advanced pneumatic loading systems lift the fully decorated cakes gently, lowering them into individual boxes without touching the delicate borders. High-speed thermal stampers apply a clear viewing window onto the box tops, letting consumers inspect our artistic frosting designs instantly. Mechanical folding arms seal the box structure safely, ensuring the delicious cake inside remains protected from air currents during transport. Every sealed package passes through our digital metal inspection tunnels, guaranteeing complete safety and regulatory compliance for families everywhere. Automated matrix printers apply exact manufacturing numbers on the cardboard exterior, providing full traceability for our global quality standards. The finished boxes are gathered into massive systematic grids, making the transition to our bulk shipping department smooth and fast always. Thank you for watching Forge Insider. Subscribe now to see more incredible industrial manufacturing processes revealed every single week worldwide.